Hello, I'd like to introduce you to one of the latest features on Cisco's cloud-registered video endpoints. This feature is called Webex Assistant. It works very similarly to a lot of the other assistant softwares or interfaces that you're familiar with, such as Google Home or Alexa. In this case, Cisco has taken that type of technology and built it into the collaboration portfolio. I'm in front of a Room 7D dual screen, and in this case you can see that Webex Assistant is enabled with this indicator here. On screen there is a phrase that's indicated that when you say that, the assistant will be activated. Let's give it a shot. Okay, Webex, what can you do?
Say OK Webex and ask me any of these.
This help command will enumerate some of the functionality that Webex Assistant is able to help you with. Meetings, joining your personal meeting room, as well as starting a call directly with someone inside your organization. When a meeting has been scheduled, you also have the ability, in this case I have a test meetings set up here, and the key phrase to start the meeting is displayed. Let's give it a shot. Okay, Webex, join the meeting.
OK, starting test meeting.
It will enumerate the name of the meeting, and the meeting will be joined. In this case, no one else is part of this meeting yet, but the video endpoint is now part of that meeting. When you're ready to end the meeting, you can simply ask Webex Assistant to end the meeting. Okay, Webex, end the meeting.
Sure.
And just like that, we are back out of the meeting as we were before.